Talk about 44th wildcard matching. The question is given an input string S and the pattern P implements wildcard pattern matching with the support for the question sign and this star sign, where the question matched any single characters, matches any sequence of characters including the empty sequence. Okay, so which means this one you can skip that. The match should cover the entire input string, not partition. Okay, so for this one, first one, okay, we go through this example. This one can match this one, but this one is larger than this, so it will return false. And for this question, it's like we have the start can match any how do you speak this one?
Sequence.
Can match any sequence. Okay, this one is kind of like can represent all of them. Skip, right? And for the question, it just matched one. This one, you can match the C, but A is different. Okay, so we can treat it as like a DFS problem here. Like you have the DFS here, right? I, J, and then you have to match the not match. So two options, matched and not matched. Not match, and you have two options like skip it. And then we have two options when you come to the buttons. The successfully situation is I is equal to the S length, and P is also equal to the P is out of the P, just S is equal to this one, which means it's matched. Whether P, if the P has so many like a star, right? So it can represent a lot of things, and only the first one it can represent anything, so no need to do that. And can empty sequence. So let's write something here. 0, 0. Into I into J. For the base case, it's kind of like button. If not going to button. Okay, if the J equal to the last one, right? The same times if the I equal to the P equal to the S length, then we can return, oh, they matched all of them. Return true, let's return false. Okay, so for here we need also go to the next levels, has some condition if I is smaller than the S length, which means, and also current here is matching for the P here. If the char at J is equal to the at I, or P char at I at j is equal to this one. So we can go to the next level. I plus 1, j plus 1. CP. Okay, so for here we can to check if the star here. If the I is smaller than unlens, at the same time, so P char at j is equal to this, then we can do something, which means here, right? So we have two options. Return DFS, we can skip it or not, or match one of it. So DFS kind of like skip it, match one of this, or J then return the force. Now we can check. Yeah. And this one time complexity is very high. It's where TC is to branch. It was like this. It's where the wrong answer. Sorry. It will skip it. It should be true. And you can go this way, right? For the A, you also can choose the matching it, and go to here. You also need to not equal of them, not to match. Then you can choose this one. Matching, so skip, skip, skip. For the B, let me see this one. Right. Let's see the previous one. P equal to this one. Okay, so not this. P equal to the start and return this one. This skip this one. This means empty. And for here, okay, so its ith length is smaller than the. I don't need to worry about J, so. Wait a second. Why need this one smaller than this one? Let's see. Okay, so we cannot do this. Okay, this means skip, and for here it means I smaller than S. Wait a second. IJ plus 1. I smaller than length at the same time. Yeah, this just a move for the. Okay. Okay, for here got a little tricky, right? So we have the two options here. One is to match for the empty, then move the J. Second situation is match with the I. Move the I. Like this one. Like which one? Like this one. So A is matching, so star, we're repeating over do something, repeating several times. So we cannot move the J, we have to make sure J is in the here. Okay, let's see. The time comments are very large, okay, it's good. Time exceed, so we can create a memory to start it. Because when you write some tree here, something maybe already see before, so you have to repeat over and over again. For example, if this one to matched. It's a matched, okay, A here. It's a matched. So for here is a matched A and start. And for here we still have the A and the start, right? So for here is not match. Not match, which means we have the two options. Concurrent now we have the A and the start. And you can see this tree and this tree is similar for this one. So we avoid duplicate. So we can use the memory to store the results, because the left tree is always the first go to the bottom and then go to the right side. Okay, for here is remember RJ is not equal to none, so which means we need to return. And where this one is already see before, so we can do this for here, for here. Check. Oops. Member ij out of boundary for the I stuff from the 0. We need to add here because it's string, so it encounters some empty string. And for the time complexity, it will improve for the TC is O(n) times space. Also, we purpose for to fill this table, fill this memory, so we need times n. Yeah, thank you.